at a 1967 Pontiac Tempest. Looks just like a GOAT GTO, but it's a Tempest. But same thing, main body style. Oh, and this like copper colored. Oh, the engine's copper colored. I don't know what engine it is. I mean, it's probably a 389 or something possibly. It could be 326. Probably a 389. It's got a nice custom aluminum radiator on there with dual electric fans. Keep it nice and cool here in Florida. Aftermarket AC. Power steering, power brakes. Aftermarket wheels, 5-spoke as was done back in the day. Pretty much always had 5-spoke Kragers. I don't know if it's a Kragers or what, but they're definitely styled like the old style wheels. BF Goodrich radial TAs, that was a common back in the day. It's automatic. You know, I sort of harassed him for a second. Let me look down there for the clutch pedal. I said, nope, automatic. Probably a turbo 400. He's got the brush turned custom. I think that's custom with the dash. The brush turned stainless steel or aluminum. I guess it's stainless steel. Ashtrays in the back. Tempest on the floor mats. Get a shot from the back here. There. New Jersey. Oh wow. Historic. I don't think I did this car, to tell you the truth. It's this first time. Same thing as a GTO. Same thing. I mean, what a goodies he's got in here. This thing is fast, so it's a true screamer. Pontiac back in the day when DeLorean was in charge, they were innovators. They were a step above everybody as far as I'm concerned. Back then, the General Motors Corporation was actually divisions. They weren't like they weren't all homogenized into one generic thing like today. Pontiac motors were different from Chevy, and Buick motors were different, and Oldsmobile motors were different. Somebody came along and said, let's make everything the same. But then doing that, they made a lot of other stuff the same. It takes away from the uniqueness. People loved their cars back then, you know? Today they just drive them. They're an appliance. Sweet ride, sweet ride. Nice motor. Got your external fuel filter there. Yeah, looks sweet, man. 6710 Tempest Pontiac.